Welcome back, camping enthusiasts. In this video, we're going to be checking out the best outdoor survival gear that you can buy today. The best survival gear comes in many shapes and forms. Often, they include tools or equipment, which improve safety, health, and resourcefulness while out in the wilds. Our team of camping experts have spent hours researching and testing outdoor survival gear. These are listed in order based on performance, quality, and price, and there is an option for every type of camper. So if you're looking for the best outdoor survival gear, we'll have the product for you in this list. We've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which are in your budget range. Now let's get on with the video. The fifth product on our list is the TG Plasma Lighter. Fire is essential for cooking, sanitation, and warmth, and this electric lighter ensures it's always possible to create. It's weatherproof, has built-in short-circuit protection, and has a rugged rubber shell. This lighter offers one of the most reliable fire tools you can find. An electric arc lighter can create a flame even in the rain because it's essentially flameless. The shell is made of tough rubber, giving it an added level of durability. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, a handbag, a backpack, and much more. It charges via USB and takes 2 hours to fully charge, which means either you need to charge it fully before you leave, or you need to keep a portable battery pack and extra battery in your bag along with any additional supplies. Regardless, it's an excellent survival and support item, and it should be a staple in everyone's outdoor equipment set. And at number 4 is the Go Time Gear Life Tent Emergency Survival Shelter. There's nothing worse than being caught out in the wilds, with no shelter and no place to hide away from inclement weather. This useful tube tent is water and wind-proof, offering safe dry shelter for up to 2 people at a time. Sometimes, while outdoors, it's necessary to have a temporary shelter option, whether it's to stay dry and get out of the rain or to get warm in cold climates. That's precisely what this tube tent offers. Bear in mind, it's not meant to be a long-term camping tent or shelter, but merely one for quick refuge. It's easy to set up and only takes minutes, thanks to the included paracord. The material is similar to a heat blanket, and it's weatherproof, so it will keep the body dry and warm in extreme conditions. It's ultra lightweight, so it won't bog you down during treks, and it compacts nicely into a carrying bag. It comes with the 550-pound nylon paracord, which can be used for other things too, like securing gear. A bonus emergency whistle is also included, but it's unnecessary since most resourceful trekkers likely already have one in their camping or outdoor equipment set. The third product on our list is the LifeStraw. When it comes to survival, water is more vital than food, and this unique device allows you to safely drink from any source, even contaminated. It removes up to 99.9% of contaminants, including bacteria and parasites. Rather than carrying tons of water bottles with you, take this straw. You use it just like any other straw, as well by submerging the front in water and sucking through the back. It filters most contaminants, including bacteria, parasites, and other harmful substances, although it's not suitable for drinking water that has harmful chemicals or human waste in it. The natural filtration system will deliver clean, neutral-tasting water almost every time, and it lasts for up to 1,000 gallons per unit. The straw is super small and lightweight, so it's perfect to keep in a bug-out bag or camping pack. It only takes a moment or two to create suction, but the process of getting it started can make you winded. It's not an issue. Just keep in mind water breaks might be a little longer than usual with one of these. Remember that we have the links in the description for all the products mentioned on this list, so don't forget to check them out. And at number 2 on the list is the ReadyWise Emergency Food Supply. Outside of water, food is essential, especially for trips that are going to take days or weeks. This food kit includes a bevy of ready-to-eat packs that are easy to prepare. They only need water and will store for years at a time. This massive bundle of individually wrapped meals ready to eat offers enough food for up to 60 servings. To prepare each meal, only a small amount of water needs to be added, and there's no cooking required. That makes them an excellent option for when you're on the trail or somewhere without access to fire or ovens. The food has a 25-year shelf life, which means, as long as they are sealed and stored well, they will last for a long time. What makes them particularly excellent for outdoor use is that the packages are lightweight and relatively compact. You can fit several in a bag for emergencies or just for regular snacking. There are a variety of entrees from cheesy lasagna to chicken noodle soup, but be warned that some taste better than others. The best outdoor survival gear is the Emergency Survival Kit and First Aid Kit. With this equipment set in hand, you would need to add very little to your outdoor gear collection. It has everything from knives to fire starters and medical supplies, and it all tucks neatly inside a hard protective case. This gear pack includes everything one might need while out in the wilderness, SOS supplies too. A high-quality cold steel tactical knife and several credit card-sized knives offer a bevy of applications, like cleaning fish or cutting rope. For regular supplies, there's a flint fire starter, multifunction scraper, tactical pen, a tactical flashlight, a compass, a wire saw, and a screwdriver. Emergency supplies include a thermal blanket, a whistle, band-aids, gauze, a bandage, a needle, and alcohol pads. Basically, a mini first aid kit. It's truly a comprehensive survival kit, and it's all packed into a hard plastic and waterproof case. When fully packed, the entire set weighs just over 1 pound, so it's relatively lightweight and easy to carry, and should fit nicely inside any pack or handbag. The steel survival knife is worth it alone. This kit gives you one of the best survival knives, plus anything else you'd need to handle any outdoor emergency. Thanks for watching. That's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give us a like and hit that subscribe button. See you guys in the next video.